Hi, in this video, I'm gonna explain you the workflow of Odoo SaaS Custom Plan add-on. After the successful installation of the module, a new tab SaaS Custom Plan page will get added in the settings. From this tab, you can set the configurations for custom plan. Provider version selection. By enabling this option, the clients at the front end can also select the respective Odoo versions for their SaaS plans. Select Apps View. From this option, you can select how do you want to show your apps to the clients at the front end. Provider user selection. By enabling this option, the client at the front end can also add the number of users by purchasing the SaaS plan. Select nature of apps costing. From this option, you can decide how do you want to opt for billing. Whether do you want to charge the client on monthly basis or do you want to charge on per user basis. These are other settings which you can set as per your requirements. Now let's say if you want that the user at the front end can also select the respective Odoo version for their SaaS plans, then you need to configure Odoo versions at the Odoo backend. For this, you need to go to SaaS Kit, then go to configuration, select Odoo version. From create button, you can create a respective Odoo version. All the Odoo versions created in the Odoo backend will only be available for selections for the client at the front end. After this, you need to create and publish modules from the Odoo backend. For this, you need to go to configuration, go to modules. From create button, you can create and publish modules. All the modules that have been created and published at the Odoo backend will be available for selection for the clients at the front end. Now, after setting all these settings at the Odoo backend, when the client will visit the front end, he can go to shop. From shop, he can select the respective SaaS plan. Now, if he wants any additional apps that has not been included in the SaaS plan, he can go to choose your own apps. Then from the list, he can select the respective apps as per his requirements. From this option, he can select the respective Odoo version. From here, he can decide how he wants to get charged. From this option, he can select the number of users. After this, he can opt for pay now, process checkout, and pay now. So after order gets confirmed and paid, all the modules purchased by the client will get automatically installed in the client's instance. The flow is same as it is in the case of Odoo SaaS Kit. Now let's say after 1 month or 2 months, the clients need another additional module for that particular SaaS plan. For that, he can log into the website at the front end, then go to his account. From his account, he can select SaaS contracts, select the respective SaaS contract. In the contract, he will get an option Add Apps. From Add Apps, he can add the respective apps. After that, the selected app will get automatically installed in the client's instance, and the newly added app will get included in the next billing cycle. Thank you.